Hello, and this is Scientist Swan. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you lots of different experiments. We're going to do some physics, we're going to do some chemistry, and we're just going to do some experiments that you can try at home. So, what do we need? Well, here is what we need. Here, what we're using today is using a candle. Now, remember what we say about candles, girls and boys? Fire is dangerous. So if you're going to include a candle, always include an adult. We've got some water, that means it's going to get wet and messy, and we've got a large glass. Now any glass will do for this experiment, so we have, but I've used it, this is actually not a pint glass, this is a double pint glass that holds 2 pints. So that's what I'm using for my water, right? And we need a lighter, but I've already pre-lit my candle, so that's already going, just to get nice and warm, because that's what we need. And I've got 2 coins. Now you can really use anything, right? But before we start, we must remember the important things. PPE. Now what does PPE stand for? Personal Protection Equipment. Now here's my goggles, this is my personal protection equipment. So I should put my goggles on before I start, and I've got my lab coat in case I spill anything. So off we go, boys and girls. Right, first of all, we're going to place the coins in the middle of the tray. Now obviously you can do anything, you can put anything down as long as it just, you'll find out what it is, but that's just to let the water flow. Now we're going to fill the tray up all with water. Now I think I filled this up to about ½ litre, so about ½ litre, but it depends on the size of your tray and the size of what jar you're using. But pour that there, and that's probably about enough. We'll have a look and keep the coins there. Now the coins obviously have to prop up your jar, so we put the candle in the middle. Now this actually, I've tried this before, and this is actually okay with the candle there. Sometimes you might need to put some wax on the tray or the bowl, or you can use a plate or a saucer, but you might need to put some wax down just to hold the candle down, just so it doesn't float. Now what we're going to do here is I'm going to take the jar and I'm going to turn it upside down on the candle. And we're going to see what happens. Now remember, if you're under 10 years old, remember to get an adult and try to do this to help you out, because you don't want anybody getting burnt or injured. Now we're going to put that on top of the coins there and place that in there. Now, as you can probably tell, the candle is still burning. And what do candles need? They need oxygen. And as you'll see, we're sucking up the magic water. So this is magic water here. You can see it getting higher and higher in the jar. And that is being sucked up by the candle. Now, how is that happening? What is the candle doing inside the jar to enable water to be sucked up? Now, we might need a bit more. So there you are. And the candle's now gone out. But we've still got the water. You can see the water getting sucked up a lot. All the way up. That's about 1 inch high. So that's about 1 inch sucked up. So obviously, we've caused something to happen inside the glass in order to make that happen. Now, that is my experiment. Are you wanting to see it again? Because I can show you it again. So, we take that off again. And we'll just pull that and let the water escape, and we light the candle. So I'll show you this one more time, where you can work out what's happening. We light the candle and get that well burning. Remember kids, always use an adult to light the candle. Now, we've got the water already, so we don't need to pour the water in. So, one more time, right? We put the jar on top of the candle, like so, and we wait. And it just takes a few seconds. And you'll start seeing it at the bottom. If you just zoom in there, you can maybe see it getting sucked up there. And there you are. So what I want to know in the comments below is what is happening inside the jar. And then why does this candle go out? Hopefully you can all tell me, and hopefully you enjoyed this experiment. Now we'll just give it another minute till the candle goes out. And there goes the candle again. And wait, it's almost out, and there's the smoke. You can always tell when a candle goes out, because it gives that magic smoke, and it's got a lovely smell. So anyway, this is my first video. We're going to do lots and lots more. We're going to do engineering experiments. We're going to do physics experiments. We're going to do some chemistry experiments. If you've got any suggestions of experiments you'd like to see me try, please send me a message. Tell me what experiment you'd like to try, and I'll do it for you. Okay, well, this is my first video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, and if you liked it, or please leave a comment down below. Thank you very much. This is Scientist Swan signing off. Bye.